If you test positive for COVID, you have no idea that your oxygen levels are critically low in your tissues. And so the advice that doctors give, especially to residents, is that a pulse oximeter is a necessity so that the oxygen level can be monitored in case of getting COVID-19. Hi YouTube, in this video we'll be unboxing and reviewing the FaceLake FL400 pulse oximeter. This device registers a constant reading in several seconds, 24 seconds for the most accuracy, and is able to provide quick information regarding your blood oxygen levels. As per features written on the box, we have the following. One, it's small in size, high accuracy, digital technology, low power consumption, and it's very easy to operate. On this side, not much. On this side, general information. On this side, general information also. And well, that's all we have on the box. So without further ado, we're gonna open the box, check it out, and you can decide the build quality yourselves. What are the contents included in the package? One, we've got, well, attention, following directional symbols found, and this is just how to place your batteries. More general instructions. If you have a defective product, it can be replaced or refunded. And we've got the manual. The manual is in English. And right here, you've got everything is in English. General information is in English, no other languages. And then we've got two AAA batteries, comes included. We have a carrying case, and we have a lanyard. So convenience is key, and FL400 is no exception to this. Battery cover is sturdy and easy to remove for battery placement. Right here, there is a light indicator for low battery on the face of the device. Getting a reading is quite simple. All you have to do is just come, push here to open, place finger in device, and then you press the power button. The device automatically starts to scan and a reading will be displayed. This here is your oxygen level reading, and the number here is your pulse rate. So check it out. This is a must in every house nowadays. You want to be prepared. Hope this video has been helpful and has given you enough information on the pulse oximeter FaceLake FL400. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Ciao.